Hello YouTubers, excuse the wind. I have I don't know if you can read that or not. Delphi air compressor, or not air compressor, air conditioning compressor. This came out of Ridge 97's truck, and as you saw in the other video, it leaked out pretty good. I also found something else while I was looking at it. I tried to get a clutch plate puller, but I found out that it really wasn't needed because someone had already taken the nut off and the keyway down there was dislodged. So as you can see, I've bent it a little bit. It's not going to be reused. I'm going to go ahead and do a autopsy on this, try and get the best view. But once I found that was loose, I just took a hatchet, slid it down between here, and give it a couple good whacks. And hopefully at some point this will, the clutch will decide to come off of here, one way or another. As you can see, the clutch is really well chewed up, like Jason said. But I find it kind of interesting that there is no nut holding this thing on. Close up of the clutch here. It really is chewed really bad. But now all I got to do is get this snap ring off and lift this pulley up. Huh. Well, that was loose. Hopefully you can see it. Just taking the high pressure blow off out. Interesting. Well, that bearing's really worn. Let's try my homemade, well, not mine, my grandfather made them. Not really quiet. That's okay. It's pretty much the right tool to remove it. If you weren't trying to save this, you'd want to be a little bit more careful, and you don't want to, drop delicate parts or anything like that. There you are. There's clutch coil. Go this way. Coils pressed on. We'll just whack off. Whack it off. Jeez. These aren't that easy to take apart, but there's your clutch coil, pulley with the bearing. And this bearing can be pressed out of there. That sits in there like that when it isn't smashed, and that goes to the scrap pile.